because asema say ye nyina ye keka ya adwebom na ye ndwene ho na ye ndwene ho yie pa na ye nyina ye share adwen. And also be reminded say you can share your view, you can type your questions, whatever it is, ube to me but the moment I mean say ube didi obi atem no, I will just block you, because this video is not for violence. It's not for, if you know Monaguchi, you know say my live videos is to put facts out there, not to insult anybody. Abua kwasia sa niema no, I don't entertain it here. I see something like that, I block you. We face fact here. Monim se mona de me ba live video hardly inti me ba live video na kwakwa ye say obia aye aggressive say live video no na che say mona de nyansasem bi eba betudwa me chocho ne mani nyina to me pese me bre be fi. Thank you so much for showing love. And I want to inform you, so Ochina Nyame Adoma, may I give away, because you know most of you are using your data to watch me here, and I really appreciate it. So tomorrow, I'll be giving 10 people MTN credit, 10 people Airtel Tigo, and then 10 people Vodafone. Okay, so it's a giveaway for the month of August. Mwashe, keep sharing. My friend Ayisha mami. Okay, me sure by this time. By this time, all the fake accounts be ebeshe. I posted on my page few days ago or a few weeks ago, and I mentioned, said this year is the year of David. Ubi Wawana, Ubi oppressor for a very long time, and then maybe you can't talk about it. You can't defend yourself and all that. We have reasons why sometimes when people come and write stories about us, we choose not to come and answer or anything, because social media no any court. And Ubi and share so say, Brabe you are no. You can choose to ignore, or you can choose to reply. I always choose to ignore, because I feel say people will do anything to chase clout, to get attention and all that. Until I just try to weigh the two on a beam balance, and I realize say here say me ba bekasa, because me mona me ba life na me bekasa na che say asem no atrame and asem na here say ba address it. That's why I'm here. Ayisha Modi. Ayisha Modi. It was a four. Nah, so many things Akoso back like some few years now, ever since I decided to come back or venture into the media fraternity, and Yama Bebre Akoso, but Enyani na me beyi ano because those who are very close to me know that I'm a quiet person. Like I'm an introvert. Me shed am pekasasa. Inti niya maybe woha. Kasaya me ahumite. Inti sometimes niya maybe woha. I just look at it and ignore. Na me bume niya guso. Most of celebrity beefs na eya etakoso wo Ghana nyina no. Say we anyway you come. Whether it's on social media or it's out of social media, no. Ayisha Modi is the brain behind it. Tina mse ka mon friend ma me nanko wo mbehwe de ekoso. Ayisha Modi somebody she has always tried to belong. Okay? And on the street, we have a code that fake it until you make it. Fake it until you make it. Ayisha Modi Obia, she is so much insecure about herself. Okay? Inti she would no ede adamfofa no beba be hihye wo. Ayisha ho hihye oba ode ne ho beba be hihye wo ba be fa wadamfo. And then ofa wadamfo wi a, then she will look at the people around you, your friends around you, those people that you love, na ode ntawantawa atumuntem. And this is how she goes about it. Obeka chiro say wadamfo we hwe ni you, dan no bi okoka chire madamfo bi say ni. Enti uyo obi a wadwen mu omra, you will go fighting your friend. Ayisha Modi, why ya che? But obi am person obeka chiro because of $100, $200 na ya odemo no, $300, $150 near the adenity no. You buy friendship with money. Ayisha, you buy friendship with money and you are a hypocrite. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. We are hypocrites. You are a hypocrite. You don't even practice what you preach. Obian kanchirewa unamfufo no. If they won't tell you, me, I'll tell you. I don't care if you send your mafia boys to come and beat me up or anything. I'll tell you the truth. Ayisha. Wow. Me wan ebusuan for me hu say Ayisha ko posti bibi woni page e chro say Afia Schwarzenegger be ka kire ne say Tracey Boakye kunu no eye makeup artist. Or your makeup artist. Ayisha, let's go to school. Let's go to the classroom right now. Ayisha, who are you fooling? Who are you fooling? Once upon a time, you were fighting with Afia Schwarzenegger. Afia was firing you or mouth punchlines or did you watem. During the fight, no, you could not mention in the fight. Say Afia Schwarzenegger, what can't you me say Tracey Boakye boy be a makeup artist? You never mentioned it. You never mentioned anything about Tracey adorable husband, you know, Bedouin Tiamwa. You couldn't mention his name. You didn't say anything during the time only Tracey Boakye the Afia Schwarzenegger ne Diamond Akpe assistant no air kono. You couldn't mention any of those. Ayisha Modi. You used to hate Tracey Boakye. Now did Tracey attempt? What to me did Tracey attempt? Did attempt from the crown of her head to the soles of her feet? Ayisha, baby. You can fool some of the people saying about Mali and now one can. You can fool the people all the time, but and yet the piano will bet me fooling about. Aden na only Afia Schwarzenegger kono. Aden na one be can say Afia Schwa e can say Tracey Boakye kunu bedun tiamwa no. Or a makeup artist. Some American war by Hollywood. Do you know how much makeup artists are being paid? What the infant say boy need a makeup artist? Okay, fine. Or a makeup artist, do you know how much makeup artists are being paid outside? Adena eya baby antokwa ni hono utade entokwa ba ho Ayisha Modi. Adena ya okeka ni patribom. Okeka ni patribom pa. Na me no, I don't want to come out and start talking because some of us, if we want to say our side of the story, there will be chaos in Ghana. That's why we choose to ignore. Ayisha Modi, oba mi show so Kantanka TV, embra me ye link up show no na oba mi show so. Oba after that, and Chibia na will call back to America. And I'll frame me, utimi frame me. As I'm making most of my bloggers who are close to me, they know it's Gamashi blogger, GH Insights, Brakofi, Omunina, because they are always with me, they are my kids. Ayisha will frame me. Utimi frame me kasa 1 hour phone, so na fe my bre. Na me back me nkofo me because people know say me mpe kasa bebre. Me kasa bebre na me ti. Me ya. Ukwapo na me frɛ o mami Ayisha. Nkofo ne me akasa say o mama me benye life but me ndidi watem. I want people to know your persona. I want people to know who you are. And Nyankopon ahye Tracey animonyam a bema pepe bia ba be claim ni Tracey na wo kaso ya shawoni oni Afia Schwarzenegger akuna udidi na tem so ya shawoni oye say Tracey nine onko onyene nine aluku London na udidi na tem nyina no. Viewers, don't forget, because the internet don't lie, go and bring those videos out. Ayisha Modi. Punchline say, when Timmy and Kawum, but when Tracey got married, now, what starts and I say, you are a pathological liar. Ayisha Modi, me, Mona Lisa, Abigail, Sefa Kosemeha, me say, you are a pathological liar. And our time now soon, this year no is your year. Maybe you David in Sunim. Let me tell you something. If you should ask Ayisha Modi, say Ayisha, then see Anna Mona Ayo enemy, she will have nothing to tell you. Do you know why? Because I did nothing wrong to her. Let me tell you what happened. Before we continue with our story, let me tell you what happened with me and Ayisha. Ayisha be family and for no. Me wanna Ayisha send me a message. So sis, I don't know about fair to say would be also right now. We share them near that. There's some kind so Ayisha. Me obia me pay them shepa. Inti me no. Yem family and for. O family and for any debt because me pay They be me share them. I love my space. I love to be in a quiet place. Madam Fukra say obesramia ehame because obano yebe kasa sa me mpe kasa. Ayisha say mini boy into a boy a mommy. Now our boy be or the be mommy. Me wana Ayisha catch me say obe mommy hajia for real. Yeah, aga mona no. Yeah, say what? Someone money no very beautiful girl no. Also the baby daddy be mommy. Na me nim baby daddy no. And I'm say oh now girl ya wo can answer me say oka baby daddy and it is only boy no ba o. As I'm again. She was on speakerphone. My bloggers were there. They just chose not to put it out there. But we have it on recording. Bloggers no more in general, they were recording. Mimpo na emba my dream say me recording. But it looks to me that the bloggers are smart people. You know, they were recording. Me fear no bloggers no na chure GH inside Braco Fimo. They come to my house to eat all the time. Like they are my children. I can't do without them. Gamashi blogger, they were here when Ayisha was talking. Ayisha kasa for 1 hour 30 minutes. So me kwambona my friend mommy because me dreams were a penny moon. But later I'm finding out that Ayisha 34 years old. Onyi ye kra ni mate be kra on the Prince of Peace kra be catch them so say Ayisha dear onyi ye but he was school no as our body into no class in as a class mommy. Yeah. Ayisha catch them so be mommy boy you. So no kasana me see yo mate mami mate ene agro na me see yo ene mami say ene you wedding ne de ene ye de ye agro e wo phone so ebusuafo the next day Ayisha dane ne ho e koka kire blogger bi my very good friend if any cutie juice or catch no so the next thing I'm share no mo dey ababe to bontin say Monaguchi say ope Ayisha for real baby daddy near daddy na me friend that was my first encounter with her to my friend and say hey sis now me wants a blogger be post BBC you what happened because una meeting baby now be friend me so my boy this is not the first time you're doing this Ayisha you called a friend of mine too Madam Fubi, UK, o friend say, o de ubre be man or Germany. You are doing this. Ade, we are. You just do this to trap them, to have something about them, so that they can koto to you. Me, I don't kiss ass. Maybe I also want ka. I'm so okay, you're interested. So, Ayisha, we are evil because when two people are together, when two friends are together, you bring confusion amongst them. That's who you are. I didn't really want to talk about this because GH Mouthpiece will be an here, but one reason why I'm a GH Mouthpiece as someone say GH Mouthpiece is the type of friend that when you are friends with her, she's a ride or die friend. Like whether you are right or you are wrong, she's with you. That's who GH Mouthpiece is. Mongo friend GH Mouthpiece in Brazil and I'm say GH Mouthpiece Monaguchi say dem potina oye a one wako one na akon mumbisa no say GH Mouthpiece me ma me evidence be a trust say Mona and that's what me be two out say Mona This is what you did to me. I didn't ask you and I just cut you off. Ayisha Modi, ebe frame me. I know catch me say, only me din komo ni ade ade. Ayisha yobia wa wunimu no. Obetimia kasa sama ade achen. That's Ayisha Modi for you. I know catch me say later no steady my friends around me. I know catch me say I should be careful of my friend GH. Ayisha, so catch me say I should be careful about my friend GH mouthpiece. So catch me. You told me to be careful about my friend GH mouthpiece. But you see, one thing you don't know about me is that Memfa here say enye juma. You can't come and tell me what my friend said about me and I will listen to you. Allow my friend to do it to me. Allow my friend to show me her true character. And then I'll take my own decision from there. Ayisha, who on my school saying? Ayisha, before my count me can't pen you can't speak. Because those times your friend is saying school I will claim say Okoye. Ayisha, I should be passing me from mommy. Now me nim say we are young girls, sir. They give you long time. Because we are penny moons, you know. Not me the respect be more because I'm just thinking say you could be my auntie or something. And then we'll post now, go post here, and I will say, if you're Schwarzenegger, ever catch will say Tracey Boakye could only a makeup artist. You are trying to incite a fight between Tracey Boakye and if you're Schwarzenegger. I'm not here to support if you're Schwarzenegger because if you're Schwarzenegger, you know, she's a nobody. I'm just speaking the truth as it is. Ayisha Modi is the type when she brings confusion between people because she always wants to belong and she always wants to be the boss over everybody. That's who Ayisha is. And you know, when she's friends with you and she realizes say you are close to somebody or then you told me, Ayisha, you told me say I should be careful about GH mouthpiece. On the men view. And I'm beside I say, oh, mommy, why you baby Anna? Or cause you, I'm telling you, you are very talented. And then yankupu shirau. You said I should be careful of GH mouthpiece. You said I should be careful of my friend Haley. You said I should be careful of my friend Nane Kuyado. Because also can say or no so your childhood friend. On the main view. Now, say Ayisha be manipulative. Now say wo side in anye year. Then she leaves. Now go catch her down for no say uni masema muna buchi ake kafa unwa. Be careful about her pa. It is that Nipano, now dream we ha, Ayisha Benyano. Then the person will come fighting with me. Ayisha Modi. And then only if you're Schwarzenegger those days, no. If you're more punchlines. But let me tell you something. The whole Ghana, Obi and Nico be cancer fa if you're Schwarzenegger one a bear no crap apart from Nana Tornado. Enemies bell. I'm telling you, and I'm hitting my chest. There are certain things crano. Tornado eno di ni edin ebabeka. Miss Balompekasa, Miss Babeka say ne kasa kwa yenya. To say very dull. On kasa. Tornado pe eno nim Afia Schwarzenegger in and out. Ono pe eno betimi aka baby afa Afia ho. Ye no kre. Because who Ayisha no who nim Afia Shwa. You were never close to her. Who the phone nekoto on the friendship. Enti no, uni Afia kono, me pa mo viewers, mo bisa mo ho. Say Ayisha ni Afia Schwarzenegger akunda. And then during that time, no, Ayisha could not say Afia Schwarzenegger. Waba be catch them impo say Tracey Boakye boyfriend, because by then let me just assume they were dating, they were not married. Into a mood dating Tracey Boakye boyfriend be your friend who bedun tiamwa. And a friend Frank. And then I went to me and say Tracey Boakye boyfriend Frank no. And then went to me and bekan mukuno those days. And then I wanka. Warrior, and I walk. Ayisha, sa game we no jai. Jai ni young kola. Everybody knows, say you are trying to bring a fight between Tracey Boakye and Afia Schwarzenegger. And don't think, say, Tornado, a video, no, our advice, say, Tracey about Afia. You can come. Who you be Ayisha? Who you be anti tornado mo dealing with facts. No more yenema on social media. Forget it. You who it doesn't hold weight in him because you're truthful. You're a pathological liar. That's who you are. You're truthful. Okay, Tracey Boakye kuno or your makeup artist. Okay, and so what service makeup artist is can san or they be worry about pay. What is your problem? Tracey, I would do na tem. Sending I left. Ni hu fi. Ashawo ni ba. And the wuna was answer kwa posti. Advise Tracey. Oh. We a hypocrite. And if no one is able to tell you, I will tell you. Ayisha me say Bibi Jejo. Bibi Jejo. You come between friends and they fight among themselves. When would the reason why I never came out to come and attack GH Mouthpiece? Because I know that whatever she's doing is not her fault. It was for Ayisha ko say me my GH Mouthpiece. Omra minim. Na blogger bi. Excuse me. Blogger bi. And or started and I think it's no bash Ayisha pa and Ayisha ko screenshot some of the post e de bre me no so mo blogger yi eya odidi matempa ne ade na me say oh blogger ben so ni Ayisha at first no sa wo blogger wo contract blogger no at first no kai say wo screenshot e didi atembi odi be didi wo posti wo ba so first no o de bre me you sent it to me you are one of the reason why I went looking for that blogger o de bre me. Na me catch you say nyabotre. I will find out. Ebusian for the next thing I mention na Ayisha ne blogger na kwakoye baako. Because Ayisha thinks say oni Afia Schwarzenegger ko. Na me as a friend you know, as I say me so me yeden me back out. Na me be attack Afia Schwarzenegger. Na if you know then why me around that time I didn't know anything about it. Secrets I must share, whatever you talked about, I didn't know about it. It's damn important I maybe if fearful. No, I'm a free thinker. Let's be realistic here. What is it? Ayisha, jai di oyeno. Jai di oyeno. O contract blogger no kwa Tracey and baby Missy baby or in the bridal shower no o contract blogger no control say Tracey ye movie na kofia someone a directing movie no. Yeah. Ayisha Modi, your friends nankasa na umuma mo muskani na you've been telling people about it. You even send them screenshots. America dey unkwa na ote wo me so ho na me wo. Ayisha Jai wati. Jai say na okeka nkofo tribom. Stop it. Madam Fubi wo UK. Ayisha, ehun so madam for no. She came to me first to come and spoil the friend to me. Sawa unyonko no, be very careful of her. I'm saying Ayisha know that she know how many years I've known my friends. Send me audio. I catch a message. I should be careful of my friends. My friends don't like me. Ubo GH Mouthpiece din. Ubo Madam for Haley din. Ubo Nansu din. You said they don't like me. Ubo Nane Piado din. Also me, I should be careful about them. But also men feel because you were thinking I'm so stupid. I will just go and start fighting them. Oh Debbie, Mimi ye rubber me yes I no. Ayisha, mean this agro no. And one thing about Ayisha Modi is when she tries to manipulate you and you don't koto to her, you become her enemy. That's how come I became her enemy. Ayisha, many Joyce Boakye aircon. Ayisha hated me to the extent that me no be akon or any pano kwa eba or be friend pano. Now or catch and say, and a mona can say any say cry if I have never come out to explain myself nor say my side of the story. Ayisha Modi, Adam Fufa enye by force. Adam Fufa enye by force. Many Joyce Boakye ye kono nana mama brown din ebemu. Ye ndidi na temu. Me make a Joyce say, Joyce, Sa ube di Nana Mama Brown who can search me. And no pay. My ground debate na Ayisha buy so be mama 24 hours minute Joyce Boakye yankopa my ground chow. Na me audio man na me ka just oyin efefle. Bo na mojibo. 24 hours asa I could do 72 hours. Ayisha went me anya hwe. Me nkopa my ground a chow said then. Just because we mentioned her name in our fight. Good. Now adan and my ground Edi Saba out BM tornado. Eko puti McBrown right because I did McBrown here in 1 year. Oh yes. We are not here to sugarcoat anything. 1 year. Tornado want to put her right. And then no went me a video and can't Tornado so woman 24 hours on corner uncle apologize to McBrown. Also a hypocrite. You are a hypocrite. You are a hypocrite. You talk about all your friends, including Tornado. Nipa korona ukoka Tornado asem kire nipa no afrem America ka kire me. Why? Ayisha. Nipa korona ukoka Tornado asem kire no. Se woman gift kwapa utimi ka kire nkofo se wache ne bibi no. Ya ka kire me. Unye, you are not good. And I only will for any din they are recording them. We need Tornado kasa. Only I get here about me show is we are mimbo ni din. Only ne kasa. Obibia only ne because when I recording no. Now why do you no send yo? You think what? Why are you like this? I then now what you say? I then Ayisha, why are you forcing yourself to belong? Who don't want to share the pame? Who don't want to share me? Who be me? I want to share me mona. Oh, friend, who to be friend me kasa 2 hours. Unso obi time me pe na ni pana kwa ye baako. Ayisha, Aden, I want to know, are you sick? Oh, ne me be kun ye be ye video didi matem ne ade only me enter main view. I don't know, for some reason I chose not to just mind you, ignore you. Actually, brothers be na my friend, no bako Samiro friend me from Germany, and Sly so friend me. Actually, Kurano Sly be friend me catch them say, "Who say you were having depression? You don't even remember so one me akun." Na me so inja bibi amanenka chale me ankasa. Ayisha, oh you know too much what? You a pretender. You a pretender. For minim da Ayisha modi ko ka kire GH Mouthpiece. The three of them had a meeting. GH Mouthpiece, Ayisha Modi, and a contract blogger no. Omuye meeting. And a GH Mouthpiece catch a contract blogger and say, "Oh, would the mona nankasa I hate her with passion and unti jai issue ne mame. Mi ankasa mekwa police station ho akwa catch police for ne say ukunu ye minua so you are my in-law and they should lodge the complaint and get the police came to assault me. Ayisha, you are so happy. You are using them. You are using them. Oh, no, I'm away $200. No, I'm away $100. No, I'm away. Somebody. Money don't buy friendship. Friendship, no. You earn it. Wunye. Ayisha, wunye. Me mo na maba video amount. And the rest of the people, all of them, video they said, life. Sometimes I just feel that you are a mother. It's enough. It's enough. You're a hypocrite. You cause chaos among celebrities. You didn't draw. What's a Moisha who was still 70,000 Ghana cedi? Moisha Yari. Hey, I shall 70,000 Ghana cedi. What's that scandal? I don't know who didn't trust her. Why do you force yourself to belong? And now if it's America, no yes, you will be on. Ayisha, why are you forcing yourself to belong? Let me tell you guys what Ayisha Modi did. Nane Kwiado. Who remembers Nane Kwiado? One of Ghana's top fashionista. Ayisha down for power. Ninkola Brema down for power. No. Let me tell you something. When we're growing up, Nane Kwiado was one of Ghana's best presenters. Foresight TV, she was the first presenter. Nana Kuya was with Foresight before Jeremy and Jay Foley came. Nana Kuya was those days Miss Malika. I think she was the second in the pageant. Tadam for ne Ayisha. Ebusian for money with Ayisha here. Ayisha ko friend Nana Kuya do kunu because she had a problem with Nana Kuya do. Eko catch re Nana Kuya do kunu say. Bema way, boy way. Omone na ne kuya do ada. Ni childhood friend oh, ni childhood good friend. Ayisha Modi, you are evil. Ayisha, let me tell you the power I carry. When I speak, people listen. Okokachire na ne kuya do. Whoever knows na ne kuya do should go and ask na ne kuya do. Because Nane Kuya do kununu or baby mama be our London. Because Ayisha ni Nane Kuya baby mama no koye baako against Nane Kuya do. And our friend Nane Kuya do kununu. Ayisha, should I tell you what happened? The man was so angry. He needed to hear from me before he takes action. And let me tell you, when the man called me catch and say, when you're depression. Would you need a funny face, dear cry? You are battling depression because about Sarike Jao. Into depression, dear Yentiminka. And Nane Kuya do is also my childhood friend. Nane Kuya do will never unfunny kunechi da. Ebusian for me can't say mo chire okunu no. And do 3 months and a papa no. Eya den e worry Nane Kuya do. If you see the diamond ring and Nane Kuya do she no, enya sem ketua. Ayisha, when you what? Wonye. People don't say their side of the story, so you always think say you are right. Bojibo. Je mokomoko jibo. Ayisha. Je mokomoko jibo. You are in America. You know how the Akata girls. You know how we behave there. You know how we behave there. And then I would say, Sabi o wadamfo ne wo ye adamfo kra no fa ne kunechi kodi ne ho Ayisha. Must you go and betray her? Let's assume say it's true. Must you go and betray her because you have an issue with her? Wonye. Ebusianfo, do you know what Ayisha did? Plus here akosua V. Oya Ayisha adamfo pa. Na adamfo fadie. I have a lot of friends. Sometimes me fret. Leona, oh sister me hunye, send me 200 bina me he. And they will send me. Because that's what friends are for. Me fret. Oh, Abna Cindy. Madam Fubi, also USA. Cindy, Yanepe be sending me na unyaba. As me pockets na dry. Or the best sending me here. Because that's what friends are for. And Ayisha, I got you a friend as a friend. No, catch us. So Ayisha, when you are baby sending me. Now they sending you. Must you go telling people? Must you go telling people say A+ intimation say no screenshot receipts of $200, $300. Now they send you Akosia V. Then you send it to people. Then people will be disrespecting Akosia V. They'll be disrespecting A+, low key. I make control. Sikeni biya ho children at a point in time. Sika phone now we are some a time comes for mukoji loan. Ayisha, stop acting as if so we sikeni. You don't have anything. Ebusian for Ayisha, and there were top phone ama GH 13 Pro Max ama Ayisha boy now who go free phones no one hona omode mama gift auntie ne me friend say GH mouthpiece mo so to top phones ashom boy ne say sika no I got 30,000 oh ya nebetua. I'm telling you. And until na debia which sisters are US line no. Debia ura Walmart and ura CVS and ura Walgreens and no different SIM card because the boy is hustling you for his money. You go and borrow all these phones and be dashing it to people just to get attention, win friendship in Ghana, to belong. Why they say I got 30,000? Who to top phones is 70,000. But then job serious. Why let's say 30,000 year bet you so on na house o SIM cards no. Ayisha, this is just the tip of the iceberg. I'm waiting for you to come and reply me. When you come, then now we begin the game. You be pipe to set table tennis. Me and you. Nobody will come and save you. Don't go and pay anybody to come and fight for you. Else are you a coward? GH Mapis will not come and fight for you. GH Mapis no one. Najimo do papa. When the contract blogger no so no one. Najimo do papa. When we blogger no ochro brofo. When we say no ochro quality brofo. Najimo do. Wonye. I will not be surprised if one day blogger no Betsy wo baby say wakoko kan ho asem e wo baby. I will support it 2,000,000% because I know you. Because tornado cry will catch there will be America. Who catch will be America or say tornado cry no who send in the sky. You said it. On guy. Who them in some go so basa aso be bodu asisia. Eduano so be bon so be shock you. E be shock one kasa. Why are you like that? Ayisha. Why are you like that? Ochino Obrafo baby Samiska, and Obrafo has been ungrateful to me. Where baby Samiska, this one has been ungrateful to me. And two person would say, Unyonkun, I would chase a question via Unyonkun. So, honor you. Miniaba 100 been sending me now, somewhere now for 4, Ayisha. Ochino be also home betting actually, I could shall be betting me a bow. Intino, wouldn't ask them a wabon saying, what are you insinuating? Obian can't share, me catch it out. Ayisha, me catch it. What do you hope to achieve? What do you hope to achieve? Tell me. Obesa ochire say A+ no wo ho no. Bra kwame. Obesa ochire say bra kwame ni ska obetimi hwe na yere won. Oba one na wo se mienu se miensa. Obesa ochire say A+ ntimi hwe na yere won. Oh. I see. Ayisha Modi. Aye. Why? Guys, let me tell you something about Tracey Boakye. I know a lot of you have different perception about her. Tracey Boakye now oko interview so be launch Shakira movie so be premiere Shakira movie. No, everybody loved her. Because everybody thought say, I mean, she's been able to do a movie of her own or America, me friend me bra or boy Murphy. Say oh boy, making sure say why advertise it, you know. For Tracey, send be uncle for beba show no. Send Tracey share and Tracey be kai say obi a friend of boy Murphy eba ho. Me and I'm a friend me bra boy Murphy because American events to America. We loved Tracey when she came. Until later now Tracey didn't want bobo and bi mu a omo influencing negatively no for her to misbehave no. And no and be ma then enkofo be time no. But the Tracey you know on Pekasa or she's an introvert. Let me tell you something. Tracey wanted to deal with one of Madame Fubi. Say Madame Funa control BB about her. And Tracey went to court. Koji summons. Say Madame Fui. Jumo be dino no. You know what happened? Tracey tena say no who said no. Nipa krono person dealing with ne Mona downfall. You know what Tracey did? Okohu Zandi Kamel. Say Zandi famona number mame. Mpese ochine bi obe tese me deal with na downfall bia. Ebeye ne ya. Me respect ne pa. Me Tracey kasa ne Tracey say Mona no krani nyame anim se ne one me akasa no. Ma hwe wani mpa ni obu a me wo ma wo. Anya sa wonyonko no. Juma nka me di no no. Na mka nyen say nana ya eye ntwa so. Ewiase de aboa emfomo eye nipa ene be fomo. Ena Tracey yede etwa so till today. Since that day, respect a media massa sister no. Enyasem ketwa. So today, when Tracey is doing something, na me message ni post say, oh sis, wadaruma for we need too many pacho chaso. I tell you without fear or favor that Tracey will listen. As Amodi say, ebusiafo Tracey Boakye afra no Ayisha. Esun wo phone so kire ne say Afia Schwarzenegger akosɛ na mani kunu She wasn't married by then. She never said any fiancé. I was saying I'm a boy be. In this year, no, mumwa many and Ayisha say Ayisha, boy bay, and Tracey Boakye as soon as phone so I catch her say if you're Schwarzenegger, I say Namano. I called Tracey personally. Oh, yeah, the baby shower no. When to me and I'm texting no. Na me say hey, what was so go be so say omunko didi if you're Schwarzenegger temma na if you're Schwarzenegger beji ukunu. And I was say wa ma boy. Tracey say oh no. Yembisa Ayisha said abe no me akasada. Ayisha mo the who your trophy what? And then you said this to your friends. And your friends believed you. Who? Tracey no akasada. Since time I wanted if you are about some 2 years or say a year ago no. Who Ayisha mo di Tracey afraid that is small phone so actually who Ayisha. Oh, you lie too much. You lie to belong. If nobody will tell you, I will tell you. You lie to belong. You lie to belong. Na me train that. Tornado be frame so as I catch it. Aka baby. Actually, me say, Mona, I want to catch Ayisha. Say, Ayisha. Hey, me fa economy ticket. Na me no aba be share wa brochire. Yeah, because who your trophy. And I mean, no one can be do or die affair. Because me, yendi ntrong me so. And I mean, can you pass them on a cheap because me insroni penny, some mechanical crane naturally. Upo biasman, I can crane actually. Ayisha, one share year, or people bold yakun because who didn't trodo. O besuban, o mali ochon, a maliful logible. Who didn't tro, who say any pantim. And I'm out and as a man Fred GH Mappies for phone so I can say Mappies Ayisha warning me about you also okay come home some bonnet or no Ayisha. So I should be careful of you because I didn't tell GH Mappies into no. You think you say you people are becoming friends. Adam for fun me and kasa me mpe. And if I wanted to prove myself to GH Mappies, I would have done that. Simple cry. But me Adam for fun me mpe. Ye ne me father for enye de. Because baby I ever me ya tade ne to a me da tade no ho na ade ache wonye nka wo ye gu na na ekuado aware nka wo Ayisha wo ye gu na na ekuado aware okunu no ebe frame me bisa me say Mona, I'm going to ask you this for the last time. Did so and so sleep with my wife? Na me catch and say never. Na na ekuado is my childhood friend. She will never do that. Na papa ne se Mona wakasa na nekuado namfofo ni nyina wo pe na me bu wom nti de waka no eno na mefa ena papa ne yeden ekọ ware na nekuado na wo diamond ring a wo sha enya sem ketua Ayisha modi someone you call a friend utimi fa na chiko friend ikunu. You are not good. You are not a good friend. O contract wan blogger no o keka ono so ne ho asem. You say it. Don't you say it? You talk about her. No, nankasa personally, no. Coming in any problem, but and someone who back a family who actually no, any sikan kakran or the chiche, no. Oh, until no, she what? She will talk for you. Me, I'm not interested in friendship. And yes, sir, Ublagano, audio san come the best and then no. Ni rebel. Ayisha, ni rebel. And blogger now, no. Nyonye. Se me send this audios ne mana. Not here. Who Ayisha? Obe boke shirisi. No be swaw. Iba telebo to mokpongpo. When people don't come to talk about their side of the story, no, don't think say you are free. Nobody is scared of you, Ayisha. Nobody is afraid of you. Unkwampo de gane nyina de unpo uye obi aye nsuro kra. Because you've demeaned yourself. You let everybody disrespect you. Who unkwa yenya udan. Ayisha, then I'll say yo. Why do you lie like that? Obini way, Adam for na wabem. Oh, when him say we can wait for one, you're very careful. Also, I'm young kuno walande no wakacha and say, you're careful about Mona. Unzo when view. Who's the one view? That about for yen Jimmy sao. Street for no, hostless no, and I'll bet me this car. Others, I mean, what's the one view? Because only me. Only me pa. So can is a mona yes ya. Abaka say oh wait the mona ye me yonko no why wait mona nye. You went lying. Nya madam fo. Any me say ebusia for just Ayisha who say obi ne me ye close. Obe feche na nsay mu kura who say ya Jackson eye me goddaughter no. Okoma ni nua Razak eye three-way conference call so that she can talk to ya Jackson. Ayisha, you cannot manipulate my daughter. Jackson kebe tumba no. Odama kuma so untimi kra. Ende mefa wa gro nko ho. Untumi. Wate. So say owuni tornado kasa ni bibia ya o record it o. Asama tornado beka kira wa recording nyina to no. She can he can come and say it live. Unsrohi. So friend madam Fubi so abrochiro na aka tell say me betray tornado. Ayisha me betray tornado Ka kira me. What's I go din throw? Oh yeah, for ni bi ye ona. Let me tell you something. Tornado akabro farm what da. Tornado send you message paragraph. I'm a what kind of da. You think Tornado is daft? Oh yeah, daft. One thing about my friend Tornado is say he behaves as if say Ujimi no he lets you fool him, but he knows the right thing. So don't think say you go telling Tornado stuff about me and I say you are the one. Ufa Tornado asem ukachira unam for abrochiro. And he got in touch with me. And ukra na ye machine me ba live video ma oro. Yeah, say Tornado say onumpo de onyama aga na ye. Opeso ejuma kakra na so opese or finish it up with the papers or whatever it is. Tornado Ayisha, if I won't be. Tell me if I won't be. Oh, me receipt wa akra. Oh, last cry me channel. Me wo we hano and so what? You were once upon a time you were insulting Miss Bell. You could tag me. The internet don't lie. Me pamucho internet don't lie. Mokai otimi tag me Monaguchi. Chain that dog of yours called Miss Bell. Wo Ayisha Modi. So when they want me go posting Miss Bell, ultimate tro nice things. Miss Bell posting near ma. Now I call like, hey Ayisha. Okuku seku. Everybody will know you in Ghana. When Ayisha tries to be your friend, be careful. Whatever discussion she will have with you, she will record you. Because in the corners of her mind, she knows to say Ochinebi or no Bekum. No, the audio sakotwa bonting. So you people should be careful of her. That's all I'll say. Ayisha came manipulating me about my friends, and I didn't mind her. And she passed my back to go and manipulate my friends about me. And my friends had weak mind, so they grabbed it and they fought with me. I have nothing against those GH Mappies and all those people. I have nothing against them. Ayisha Nedi can be say or mama me. And I knew, say, there's no way GH Mappies will go and stand somewhere and talk ill about me because me and the bonnet. Sometimes I'm not frequent on the internet. GH Mappies to me who be about me. Now about sis. And okay say, oh, me who be say, oh sis, my worried. That's GH Mappies. And Ayisha, I hope I catch should be careful about it. And I'm sure with the when I started say me the medical deal. Now, me intelligence quotient and me trimono. Many say nye. I dear sir, I mean to me drive it. Minimadia rough. Obi be only me ko school no ko bisa. Me intelligence na wa mapampe mu no. Unti me nsoa. You think you can come and manipulate me about my friends, people that I know or people that have been good to me? So call my friends so na so uko say me mom no mo G2 ma fine. Na say girl you bet net na me TV show is so crampo. Say na say wako fa na damfo. O do wako hwehwe no wako fa na damfo. Wako ke kan say match there no. Girl no be say me audio kasa ni adade. I knew say you are behind it. I don't want to mind you. But Tracey die ya wo sade beto ho no mu na nsan ya na enene ochine ya. Hey! Obi a wo ni Tracey ya ko. Ayisha, we a hypocrite. We a hypocrite. And you are a pathological liar. You lie for a living. You lie to belong. You lie to make people love you. Hey, Ayisha, Debbie, we are so be Be you. Speak the truth. And then our contract blogger, no one go can say, me na first me screenshot e page kra e de ma mo na se mo na nhwehwe wo mame ade na wan kon kan kire no one na ya dan for soon soon things that you said about her too no soon ye de beba and I won't say contract blogger no obebo keshire say na wasoa and osoa unsoa me fa powder say na me da gugu for mama no so onante so because I thank God say she has seen who you are. And Ayisha Modi is behind most of these celebrities when we will beef no Ayisha oba no the $100 oh my top phone dia chow phone obo wo free iPhone boy no or the information akwa obi wo UK say en kan kire Ayisha say no sisa the number na me hear me 30,000 because what phone sisa 70,000 or the chichan crofo wa Ghana oh my phone na Ayisha uko free phone and give to people because you want to be friends with them. Oh gosh boy ni saka 30,000 pacho say no sisa on numbers na enye pacho tua boy no wate Chuaneka. Me ma asase obim Joyce Boakye wan na asase no papers no mo de abra no Joyce papers no mo de aba pacho ye photocopy na fa brem na yenko check in denture no me wo site plan bi building plan bi anka me pese me de ma na nanka wo si e be fine pa hey Ayisha who say many Joyce kuna only Joyce akwa fadamfo. Hey Ayisha, what the time you wanted me to kiss your ass. I mean I don't kiss asses. That's what we need to America for, we don't kiss asses. So him. Ayisha. So body needs why I find why I come up. You are so desperate, you just want to belong. I can file umba taxes plus your own. And I call Dominican Republic who your body. And now would it work a ready about sway? Yes, I did. That's one any bibiabo na eja. Ayisha. Mr. Waya, be mami's kana, Miss Pesam Koteki, na me call me dear why? Aye, Mr. Waya. Why? This is just the tip of the iceberg. I mean, and you go deep into stuff. But I just want you people to be aware that this is who Ayisha Modi is. Ayisha Modi, if you don't know her, this is who she is. Ufana damfwa. Obesene unyonko ama.